As we grow older, one silent enemy begins to work against us every single night: muscle loss. It does not shout or announce its arrival. Instead, it creeps in quietly, stripping away strength, mobility, and independence while we sleep. This condition, known as sarcopenia, affects millions of seniors worldwide. Yet many have no idea it is happening until it's too late. The truth is, your body starts losing muscle mass naturally after the age of 30, and this loss accelerates once you reach your 60s and beyond. But what if one simple habit before bed could help stop this? What if eating the right food at the right time could make all the difference? For many seniors, dinner marks the last meal of the day, often eaten early in the evening. By the time they wake up, their bodies have gone 10 to 12 hours without any new nutrients. During this fasting period, especially overnight, the body breaks down muscle tissue to meet its needs. This leads to a slow but steady loss of muscle strength. Over time, it becomes harder to walk, lift things, or even get up from a chair. But here's the good news. It's possible to slow down or even reverse this process by giving your body what it truly needs before sleep. There is a group of specific foods that can feed your muscles while you rest. These foods release protein slowly throughout the night, providing your body with the essential amino acids it needs for repair and maintenance. It's not about eating a heavy meal or changing your entire diet. It's about adding a small, smart snack before bed that delivers high-quality protein in a slow and steady way. This simple step can support your muscles, protect your strength, and help you maintain your independence. If you're a senior or care for one, what you eat before bed could be the key to waking up stronger, not weaker. 1. Cottage cheese. Provides slow-digesting casein protein that feeds muscles overnight and helps prevent muscle loss. Cottage cheese is one of the most powerful foods a senior can eat before going to bed. It is rich in casein protein, which is a slow-digesting form of protein that releases amino acids steadily into the bloodstream throughout the night. This steady release is crucial for muscle preservation because it provides the body with nutrients during the long hours of fasting while you sleep. As people age, their ability to maintain and build muscle decreases, especially during periods without food. By eating cottage cheese before bed, the body is less likely to break down muscle tissue to meet its protein needs. In addition to casein, cottage cheese contains calcium and vitamin B12, both of which support muscle and nerve function. Just a half-cup serving is enough to give your body what it needs overnight. It's low in fat and calories, making it an ideal nighttime snack that doesn't cause weight gain. Many athletes and fitness experts use cottage cheese for this exact purpose, and seniors can benefit just as much. By adding this simple habit, older adults may wake up feeling stronger and better recovered. 2. Greek yogurt. Rich in protein and probiotics, it supports muscle repair and gut health while you sleep. Greek yogurt is another excellent bedtime snack for seniors. It is packed with high-quality protein that helps repair and maintain muscle mass. Like cottage cheese, Greek yogurt is also rich in casein protein, which digests slowly and provides a steady supply of amino acids overnight. What sets Greek yogurt apart is its probiotic content. Probiotics help improve digestion and gut health, which in turn allows better absorption of nutrients. This means the body can more efficiently use the protein to repair and grow muscle. Greek yogurt is also a good source of calcium and potassium, which contribute to strong bones and muscle function. It's easy to digest and comes in many flavors, but the plain, unsweetened variety is best for health. Seniors who enjoy Greek yogurt before bed are feeding their muscles while also protecting their digestive system. This small change in routine can have a lasting impact on physical strength and overall health. 3. Boiled eggs. A compact source of complete protein and vital amino acids needed for nighttime muscle recovery. Boiled eggs are a simple yet powerful food choice for seniors who want to protect their muscles during sleep. Each egg contains a complete set of essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of muscle tissue. These amino acids play a key role in muscle repair, especially during the night when the body goes into a natural recovery mode. Unlike some heavier foods, boiled eggs are easy to digest and don't cause discomfort before bed. They also contain healthy fats, vitamin D and B vitamins, which support energy production, muscle contractions, and overall cellular repair. 1 or 2 boiled eggs before bed can offer the perfect amount of protein without being too filling. For seniors who often struggle with reduced appetite, eggs are a convenient way to pack in high-quality nutrition in a small portion. The protein in eggs is absorbed efficiently by the body, making it highly effective in preserving lean muscle mass. Additionally, boiled eggs are low in carbohydrates, making them suitable even for those watching their blood sugar levels. Eating them at night helps ensure your muscles are supported until breakfast, reducing the risk of overnight muscle breakdown. 4. Casein Protein Shake offers a steady release of amino acids during sleep, boosting muscle protein synthesis in seniors. A casein protein shake is one of the most targeted ways to fight nighttime muscle loss. Casein protein is unique because of its slow digestion rate, which allows a steady flow of amino acids to nourish the muscles over several hours. This is exactly what the aging body needs during the long fasting period of sleep. Seniors who drink a casein shake before bed can prevent their muscles from being used for energy, which is a common issue when the body lacks protein overnight. These shakes are convenient, quick to prepare, and easy to digest. They also allow for precise control over protein intake, which is helpful for seniors managing their diets. Some shakes are fortified with additional vitamins and minerals that support joint and bone health, adding extra benefit. Taken consistently before bed, a casein protein shake can greatly reduce muscle wasting and help older adults maintain their strength and mobility for longer. Maintaining muscle strength in older age is not just about exercise, it's also about smart nutrition, especially at night. As the body ages, it becomes more prone to muscle loss, particularly during long fasting periods like sleep. By eating the right foods before bed, seniors can give their muscles the nutrients they need to recover, repair, and stay strong. Cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, boiled eggs, and casein protein shakes all provide high-quality protein that digests slowly and steadily throughout the night. This helps prevent the body from breaking down muscle tissue for energy. These simple, natural options are easy to prepare, gentle on digestion, and packed with vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Making them part of a regular evening routine can improve muscle preservation, strength, balance, and independence. For seniors looking to stay active, reduce fall risk, and maintain a better quality of life, bedtime nutrition is an essential piece of the puzzle. Rather than waking up weaker each day, the right nighttime snack can help older adults feel stronger, more energized, and more capable of enjoying everyday activities. Small changes before sleep can lead to lasting benefits.